Ja, meget godt, ikke? Ja. I mean, this road is going as high as those cable cars also.
Yeah.
Men vi har også lige fået croissant og sådan noget lige før, ikke? Jeg er ikke så sulten igen. But this one I'm curious, so.
It looks like the one we have in Denmark.
It's not. It's not. Husk, du har også din laksikre til det.
This is so nice, Yusuf. You happy? I'm making a video. There! I got it like that. Skal vi køre nu?
Nej. Vi har ikke travlt.
Vi har kun det her i dag. Nej. Yeah, there is a mince meat in there. Hello, the driver. They're repairing. Stop! Don't fall.
She gets shocked.
Stop. No.
It's funny.
No. How does my hair taste like?
Like soya.
It tastes like shit. What?
Like soya.
Soya.
Salty.
Salty hair? Yikes.
It tastes like kimchi.
Kimchi.
And it smells like salted fish.
Yeah.
No.
Nasty. It's cold in my nose now.
No, det var nok synd for din næse. It's time for your nose.
Oh, you could actually go there, Bao. I want to go to him. There, oh, my hair is in your mouth, but.
You can only stand right there.
See? Ah, you cannot go down. Okay, never mind.
Also, I don't like you going close to the edges and stuff.
I know.
So let's not do that.
No. We will not do that.
We already agreed before we travel.
What?
Not close to any edges.
Okay.
Vil du have den inde i trøjen?
Nej.
Inde i hætten?
Nej, it's annoying.
Er sådan det irriterende?
No. Are you having fun?
Nej. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
Nej! He's tired because he's driving. He's the only one driving.
No, I'm tired because we ate.
And we just had our lunch. The view here is just so nice. So I am not going to edit this video because it's just so nice view. That's it. Nag-stop na pod me. Dahil na pa rin siya nga view, no? Oh. There are houses there. Oh. That's a new stop for us. And here also. Wow. Wow, see, so it's so nice. You can still see the ice from the mountain. This. And that's that big mountain there with the ice.
Crazy view here.
And I like the road. Yeah, he looks so cute.
Hi baby, look.
Cable car.
I wanna go see.
Can see around here much more. Here is just like mountain, no ice, but in this side you can see the ice on top of the mountain. There is actually this thing, so you could see closer, but you have to pay, and there's a lot of people touch it, so it's not good. There. There is actually this thing, so you could see closer, but you have to pay, and there's a lot of people touch it, so it's not good.
I feel like I will take a picture here for my background for the telephone.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I already have it.